we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that look similar, sound a little similar maybe, but their pronunciations are quite distinct, different, and they have a different meaning also. The top word is found. That's the past tense of the verb to find. Found, as in I found this fantastic bakery. Found. Now the bottom word is a synonym of kind of money that banks may have as a reserve, and it's pronounced as fund. Fund, that's the bottom word. Money, fund. The top word is found. Found versus fund. Fund versus found. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.